Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Rakuten Advertising for US affiliate opportunities. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Rakuten Advertising for US affiliate opportunities, start by navigating to. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required fields with your personal and business information. Make sure to provide a valid email address, as you'll need it for account verification. Once you complete the registration form, submit it to create your account. Check your email for a verification link from Rakuten Advertising. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Now, log in to your newly created Rakuten Advertising account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Locate that Advertisers tab on the main menu. Click on Advertisers to explore available affiliate programs. Use the search bar to find specific brands or categories that interest you. Once you find a suitable advertiser, click on their profile for more details. Review the commission structure, promotional materials, and terms of the program. If everything aligns with your goals, proceed by clicking the Apply button for the program. Fill out any necessary application forms to express your interest. Submit your application and wait for approval from the advertiser. Once approved, you'll receive a confirmation email. Return to the Rakuten Advertising dashboard to see the new affiliate program under your account. Now, access the Links or Creative section to generate your affiliate links. Use these links in your content to promote the products or services. Monitor your performance through the Analytics section to track clicks and conversions. Regularly check for updates and new programs that may fit your audience. By following these steps, you can successfully activate Rakuten Advertising for US affiliate opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.